Today in Social Studies, we read Officer Buckle and Gloria. For our activity today, we are going to do a directed drawing of a dog. This dog is a little bit different than the dog in our story, but we're still going to practice drawing. You will need a piece of paper that goes lengthwise up and down. You will need a pencil, and you will need markers and crayons later to color if you'd like. What you're going to do is start with a little circle in the middle of your page. And then from the circle, we're going to draw a straight line and curve it out, kind of like the letter J. And do the same thing for the other side. Remember, it's okay if it's not perfect. We're just working on holding our pencil, following directions, and having fun. The next thing you are going to do is a little bit trickier. You're going to draw a bigger circle around the part of the dog that we just drew. And now we're going to draw 1, 2, 3 circles over here. And you can draw yours in any order. It doesn't have to look just like mine. And I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 circles over here. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, they kind of look like ears or frog eyes. We're going to make a tall rainbow, 2 of them. We're going to add some circles, color them in, 1 on each. Now you're going to draw a bigger circle around everything else we just drew. Again, mine isn't perfect, and that's okay. And now we're going to draw ears. I'm going to start from the top, draw a long line, and move it around. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And now you have your dog. What you can do for the rest of the time is color it in and add some details. Remember, it's okay if your dog doesn't look like mine. It's okay if it's not perfect. Everyone's dogs look different, and that's okay.